Alright, today we are about to go fly a kite in some really windy weather, so I'm going to try out this helmet cam, see if it works. I'm about to freeze alive. I think it's going to be cold. It's going to be cold. But you know what? Before I do anything, I got to figure out which kite to use. Small kite, big kite. Shoot, start with big kite. If it's too much, I'll go downgrade. Oh yeah, beautiful day. Super windy. Oh, we're definitely gonna need the kite board today. It's so windy right now. Oh my gosh. I can barely open this door. It's ridiculous. Alright, team. Wow. Normally I wear these shoes, but today I'm just going to keep the ones I have on. Hats, oh there's a must. I didn't think about that. Impact vest, probably not. This guy, nah. I think I can tell where the wind's coming from more or less. Oh yeah. Harness, probably should. Whoo-wee. What a day, what a day. Freezing cold. My fingers went numb, so I had to quit. They were so painful, I couldn't do anything. I broke part of my board. You'll see the strap right there, the little foot hook, sky hook is gone. Oh! I'm just trying to show you how ripping this wind is. It's kind of ridiculous. Oh boy. Oh boy. Better or worse? Better or worse? Looks like better. Insane wind. Insane wind. I can't control it, man. I'm doing everything I can. I just can't control it. Here we go. Alright, wind. Here we go. Oh boy. Here we go, here we go. My date with the president's daughter. Oh yeah. Alright, well that's about all we're gonna do today because my thing's broken. Oh gosh. I'm so beat. Oh! I'm just running now. Ah! I'm about to be in a tree. Oh, these are awesome. I should grab one of these. Markers. Hand markers. My date with the president's daughter, oh yeah. Whoa! My date with her. Oh my gosh! Ah, I can't even hold on! shouldn't be lifting me into the air. At least in my opinion, it should not be lifting me into the air.